how to insert statistical formulas in the Excel app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this in the home menu. From here, we just go into the top row, click on formulas, then we click on more functions. Then here we hover over statistical, and here we have all of the statistical formulas that we might need. Let's say enter the Gaussman formula. Here we have a description in the bottom right corner of this formula, and now we can just enter the data source like this, and click on done, and that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.